My dear friends, remember this also. Do not waste your words to people who only deserve your silence. Kung binabastos ka, hindi ka nire-respeto, hindi para sa kanila ang inyong mga salita. Do not waste your time with people who do not love you, do not like you, do not appreciate you. Go to those people who accept you. Hindi ka nga nila gusto eh. And nothing you will do or say will change their minds and their hearts. Dahil maraming taong matigas ang ulo, matigas ang puso. Sino makakapagbago sa kanila? Hindi ikaw. Ang Diyos lamang at sila. Pag ginusto na nilang baguhin ang sarili nila, thank the Lord. Pag binago sila ng Panginoon, praise God. But do not waste even 1 second trying to change these people. Just be silent.